Entertainment.
Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen. Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share Carla's Kitchen CC. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC.
Hey guys, how are you? I hope everyone is doing fantastic. Yes guys, I'm here with another juice video. Yes, we're going to be juicing up today. 100% all natural juice. I have carrots, I have orange, I have apple, and I'm also going to be adding some ginger to this. No sugar, no honey, no artificial sweetener, just the natural sugar from the fruits. That is all we need in our bodies, guys, right? Yes, natural juice is the best, and it is the best way to go. Healthy, yeah, healthy. Yes guys, so I'm just washing off my fruits as usual, because you have to wash your fruits and vegetables when you buy them. And guys, thank you so much for your support. Big up the viewing public. Big up, enough love to the viewing public. Thank you guys so much for watching. To my members, thank you guys so much for joining my channel. I appreciate you. I appreciate you all. Everyone, thank you guys so much. Now guys, we're gonna get into juicing. Yes. Please enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and if it's your first time here, please do not leave without subscribing and turn on your post notification bell so you will be alerted on my next upload. Thank you so much. Guys, start juicing your fruits. All these fruits has so much health benefit in them. Orange is one, a powerful one, because orange helps to boost your immune system, and orange is also good for your skin, and it also lower high cholesterol. So guys, start juicing. Ginger is the power pack. That is what I call ginger, the power pack, because ginger is so good. It's good for pain. It is good to reduce all the inflammation in our bodies. So use up your ginger, guys. Apples, oh my god, apples is very nutritious. Yes, very nutritious, and apples also helps to fight asthma. So if you have asthma, or if you have a child who is asthmatic, give your child a lot of apple to drink, apple juice, a lot of apple to eat. Yes, carrots, oh my god, good for your eyesight, good for your skin as well. Good guys, juice up your fruits. Yes, consume a lot of fruits, guys. It's very good. It's very good. So now I'm gonna pour my juice out. Look at that juice. Oh my, look at that juice, guys. So refreshing. Wow. All natural, 100% juice. Juicy juice. Thank you so much again, guys, for your support. Thank you. I appreciate you all. More blessings to each and every one. So here you have the juice, guys. Oh my, thank you so much. Thank you once again, guys. Thank you once again for tuning in. I appreciate your time here. Take care of yourselves, be kind, pray, put God first, and I'm going to see you in another video. Bye.